Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video it's gonna be unboxing. Okay, so this particular unboxing, the brand, it's the second time I purchased their bag, and the first time was in Paris. And if you follow me, you know what we're talking about, right? Ta-da! I want to do an unboxing video, and let's get started. And let me tell you where I got it, why I buy this, and what is in the box. Okay, so if you are like freaking out right now, don't freak out, because I can tell you it's not Birkin, it's not Kelly, it's not Constance, okay? It's something definitely more like an entry level for Hermes, and the price still very expensive, but for the luxury brand, it's actually not bad at all. It's actually a little bit cheaper than Chanel wallet on chain, and you know how small the wallet on chain, right? I should have shown you that earlier. So let's open this baby out right now. But first, I want to know, I purchased this on their website, Hermes.com, and let me tell you, it took me literally 4-hour track to get this item to be available. The trick is when you find something you like, it may say it's not available, just hold on to that side and keep on refreshing over and over slowly. If it's a pop-up, it will show in there that you just add it and pay. Don't think, just pay. Otherwise, it disappears. So when you order from the .com Hermes, I want to show you first. It coming to this box. So you will never know it's from Hermes. It is a large box, but it's very safe, right? So you don't have to worry about that. And because the COVID-19, I've been purchased a lot of luxury items online. Way more than before. I always just buy in the store, but now I really enjoy buying online because just one click, it's magically just arrived to my house. And so why I buy this, let me open this up first. So everyone, hold please. Okay, I have to change the angle like this so you can actually see the box like that. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. As I open, I'm gonna tell you why I bought this bag. This is actually not for me. I didn't really pay for 100%. It's my family. We chip in all together. Buying this for my mom. It's her birthday tomorrow. She doesn't know she's downstairs. So we bought this. We think that, or finger crossed that she's gonna love it. And you know what? If she doesn't like it, that's fine. We can take it. Me and my sister, we're gonna rotate this out. Anyway, that's really for her. But since I paid for a portion of this, I want to do a little unboxing to show you guys that. Oh my gosh. I have to say, I don't have like a lot of luxury bag. Not a lot compared to other bloggers, but I have to say for somehow, Hermes tissue is so much more softer. I don't know what is so special about. Some people told me that the tissue is contain different material in there. So if you know what that is, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. So let me show you guys here. The baby is sitting here right now. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. Let me tell you that. Just take it all in. This is the best part, right? So let me show you. It is a handbag, by the way. Okay, let me get a little closer to show you. So coming this beautiful dust bag. Are you ready? First, I want to show you the colors. I gotta tell you this. One thing about Hermes website, their color is so off. On the website, it doesn't look that great, but in person, it looks 100 times better. This is called a Rose Extreme. On the website, it looks really, really bright, like a bright red. I was actually concerned about that, but when I opened it, I was like, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Okay, you ready? Look at this. It is the Hermes Picotin. And this is, how do I say that? I really think for the price that you pay, the quality of a Clemens leather, the softest leather you can get, and the design, the functionality, the sizes, this is a really good deal. Please know that I know it's still very expensive for a lot of people, but if you're looking at for Hermes website or Chanel, the price can be very, very expensive. For this particular item, the price, it's not bad at all. So I think that if you really want to invest one piece from Hermes, you don't want to spend 8,000, 10,000, 20,000. You can consider Picotin. They come in 3 different sizes, 18, 22, and 26, I believe. This is the 22 one. Originally, I really want to get 28 because my mom is about 5'5", so 22 may be too big for her, but we think this might be fine. So Picotin, basically, it's a very, hold on, let me show you. Let me just remove the bubble here first. Making a lot of noises, right? So this is the size 22, so you can see that. Okay, it really doesn't have, there's no special compartment in there, just like a big bucket. In Chinese, they call the bucket bag, 菜篮子. So it's kind of like, you know, when you go to farmer's market, you just carry that and you put food in there, you know, you buy stuff. So it's like a big old bucket. But you know what? It is Hermes. I mean, it is one of the best quality leather that you can get in the market. And even though it's just a big old bucket, but you can buy a bag insert so you don't ruin the inside. You can also close that. So what comes with this bag? Let me show you. It does come with the Hermes Lock. Let me show you guys that. Sometimes depends which model that you purchase. Let me show you guys. This is the silver lock. Can get this like that. Okay, and this is the key. So a couple days ago, I actually found a rose gold color. I think that's much more elegant, much more beautiful, but it's so hard to get. It's almost like if I skip this one, would I able to get this again? So, and I consult my friend Jenny, Miso Jenny. She's like Hermes Queen. When I told her, do you think I should buy the Picotin Rose Extreme? Before I can finish, she said, get it! Because she told me Rose Extreme, this color, it is very popular. It's really hard to find. It's really rare color. I mean, I can see why not. It's so versatile. It doesn't matter your age, you want to dress up, dress down. Anybody can really wear this bag. I think even for me, I can pull this off a little bit. How do you going to use this little strap here? So you're going to put a lock here, and then can you see this little hook right here? There's 2 hooks on this side. So you just put this over it. Because when you have a lock, it creates a way. So you can just kind of close the top. So it will look somewhat like this. So technically the item doesn't really fall outside, but I really still think that if you are in the major city, you get a lot of pickpocket, you really want to buy an insert with a zipper so people can get their hand inside. So that's the overall design. Obviously it's made in France. Again, Hermes Picotin has so many different designs. Most iconic design for Picotin is the handle. They can make with alligator or crocodile and or ostrich and different type of leather on top. But this is just standard. So that's why the price is more like an entry level. I'm telling you, the price for this bag, if you buy other like Evelyn's or other smaller bag, they're even more expensive than this one, which I don't understand. So I think this is really great value. I definitely think that a lot of people, if you want to get into the Hermes, and you can definitely try something like this. They have so many different colors. Before I bought this, I saw this royal blue with rose gold. I was gonna buy that. Actually, it was in my shopping cart, but I decided not to do it because I knew that if I bought that, I probably won't give it to my mom. I'm gonna just keep it for myself. So I just wanted to get this one. Definitely so beautiful. Now I want to tell you something. This is meant to be. Meant to be. Okay, here's the thing. I want to open this one. This is not something new I bought. Okay, I have this for long. Oh wait. Everyone hold please. I totally forgot to show you that I have a receipt. Where is the receipt? This is the receipt. Almost forgot to show you guys. Stay focused. Stay focused. This has my address. I'm going to cover that. So this is the receipt from Hermes. Okay. One thing about when you order online, you can say this is for gift, and then they will also going to give you a Hermes card like this, so you can write message for your loved one. So for us, we're going to use this for my mom's birthday card. It's a very classic, very simple with Hermes logo right here. So the reason why I say why this is meant to be, last year I was online. I was totally into Rodale. Okay, the little horsey, and I found this colors. I just like, oh, it's pretty, whatever. I just get it for, you know, whatever reason. And I totally forgot I have this until 2 days ago. I was cleaning my Birkin. You saw my picture for Birkin, right? I'm like, why is the Birkin so heavy? So I open it up. Inside has a box. I literally forgot I have this. And look at these colors. I got this last year. So, wouldn't you say, let me put this here. Let me show you guys this. I mean, just look at this. It is meant to be. It's meant to be. Purchase this for her. I mean, this is going to be so cute together. I'm going to see, can I film a little video, her unboxing expressions. I'm going to be putting the clip right here. Look at my family. Oh my goodness. Definitely is a surprise, right? But overall, I think this is really great combinations. I mean, I think I may even buy one more for myself, and definitely not this rose extreme color, because I think for photo shoot I can pull it off, but for regular day use I don't think I can pull this off at all. But definitely I think I want to get one more for myself. I say that a lot, my goodness. I know that this is going to be a really easy daily use bag for me. You just grab and go. Oh, one thing I forgot to share with you is the base. You have a little leg right here, and it's a hard base. So therefore, when you put item in there, it's not going to sink like Louis Vuitton Neverfull, right? And this is just beautiful piece. What do you think? Leave the comment below. You know, do you think this is great for the first time buyer, or you think it's definitely not for first time buyer? I mean, this is really beautiful. Let me smell this. You know what? It smells really good. It doesn't have a very strong leather smell. Let me smell inside. Hold please. No, it just smells expensive. Did I just say that? Anyway, I just want to show you, this is my mom's birthday gift, and this is her first official Hermes. Alright, so I want to say thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. It means a lot to me. And definitely don't forget to follow all my social media, Mr. Jen Only One on Instagram and Skin by Steve Jen on Instagram. I want to say thank you, and I love you all very much, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!